Hello guys, it's George from TeckWrap, and in this video I'm gonna show you how to apply TeckWrap matte PPF over this Audi A7. So we're gonna do the front door, so very important, we need to make sure it's properly cleaned, all the edges. We're applying the solution over it. Now it's time to peel the liner from the PPF, and we apply the solution on the back. We place it nicely on the door. We apply the solution over it for the squeegee to glide nicely. You can use the hand just to get all these big bubbles out. Make sure you have enough material on the top, make sure it's placed nicely, and then it's safe to take all the water out. Make sure you press really hard on the squeegee so you'll take the solution out. Now we're getting to this handle area, which is a little bit tricky because it's quite deep. We're gonna do some relief cuts around these holes on the side. I'm gonna use the steamer for this. Also, we can apply some water behind it. We need to make it a little bit softer. We're gonna start from the edges. And then we warm up the center, and we squeegee from the top going down. And you can get this brown squeegee, especially we use it for the handles area, and then you just have to carry on doing it till it's gonna stick. Make sure you don't warm up too much the PPF with the steamer, you don't want to make it very soft. Then we can lift the edges, we apply some water just to wash up the shampoo, and squeegee out, make sure it's proper stuck. We're gonna do the same as always, we're gonna trim on the opposite side so we can have enough material to cover the edge. We're gonna do the same thing with the top edge. We're gonna wash it out with water. Squeeze it again. Now, once the PPF is dried, we can do the trimming. Now this side edge is dried as well, so we can start using even the heat gun with the glove and start folding the PPF around the edge. Be careful with the trimming, we don't want to put too much pressure to damage the paint. So there we have it.